What up, Crypto Warriors? It's Soldier Crypto back at it again. And it's been a while since I've made a video like this using this screen recorder. I just want you guys to read the disclaimer, pause the video, read it, and I'm going to get into this review real quick. So, like in my last video, I stated I was going to be doing a review on Metamorph Pro. And it's all-in-one platform to securely manage and trade cryptocurrencies. All right, and I was playing around with it earlier. They actually, I think, launched recently. I think today, actually. What is today? Is it the 15th? Yeah. So they are currently, working on the platform. They just need a few more hours to update everything. Alright, but I can just give you guys still a quick review, and from what I've seen, it is pretty smooth, pretty user friendly. The UI is user friendly, and look at that, man. It just looks pretty, you know what I mean? It just looks pretty, it looks clean, and it, from the example or what they had out earlier, all right, where you were able to practice using it, right? It was as simple to use as possible. If you're able to use your smartphone, you're definitely able to use this. All right, and that's what the creator wanted to do, was be able to allow for newbies coming into the space to have some place to go and exchange their cryptos without that hard that boundary, so to speak, of getting in, that entry point, from like either going from Coinbase and transferring over to this and that and trying to watch candles and all that stuff. Nope, none of that here. It's real easy to use. Again, like I said, you're going to be swapping out your coins, all right, and it's doing air swap, and it's using the the 0x protocol to where they use where they do everything off chain, and you only get charged once you do the actual swap. So a lot of times with decentralized exchanges, they charge you for they have like a minor fee or gas fee for canceling a transaction, or even going through the transaction, whatever it is. So here we say the portfolio is pretty cool. So it's kind of like your blockfolio if you have one, but you're able to track your cryptos and everything, and it has it right here. Keeping track of all your assets can be tedious task. The Metamorph platform offers great versatility when it comes to cryptocurrency portfolio management. Stay ahead of the curve and keep a full overview of your cryptocurrencies just by connecting your wallet through MetaMask. Again, you don't keep your cryptos on the exchange. All right, you're keeping it either in MetaMask, and soon they'll have ledger support and other connections available on the way as well. All right, so simply connect and synchronize your wallet to Metamorph, to the Metamorph platform through MetaMask, and you are ready to start trading and morphing. Okay, it has never been easier or more secure to trade and manage your cryptocurrencies. Again, this is huge right here. Ledger support and other connections are on the way. So that means maybe Trezor or any other hardware wallet, my Ether wallet and things like that. All right. So the exchange process, and I like this. It's morphin' time for you Power Ranger fans out there. All right. The Metamorph platform allows for quick exchanges between dozens of cryptocurrencies, making adoption and barriers of entry to other communities a thing of the past. Are you tired of using 10 different centralized exchanges to be able to invest in the coins you want? Simply connect your wallet to the Metamorph platform through MetaMask, and you are able to exchange within seconds. You know, because again, they're not keeping any of the cryptos on the exchange. All right, real simple again. All right, so we already went over this. You know, trading. Actually, we didn't do that. Trading. The Metamorph platform is built on using the 0x protocol, which enable us to build a truly decentralized platform with heightened security measurements and low cost. 0x protocol manages orders off-chain, which means the fees only occur when a trade is executed on-chain. Decentralized exchanges traditionally tend to suffer from high gas costs, as any interaction submitting, executing, canceling orders, etc. requires a fee. So again, if you've ever had to use a decentralized exchange, the fees can be stupid high. Stupid high. Alright, this is the thing of the past with the Metamorph platform by using 0x protocol, relays to manage orders. Alright, so you can even get reports. Alright, keep track of everything on Metamorph platform using a customized report section. Analyze your recent trades and morphs in detail, or export them to PDF, Excel, or text format to manage outside platforms. And then backup. So this is like a real game changer right here. I wish it was up right now where I could show you the example that I was playing around with it earlier. I should have made a video earlier. But if you wanted to exchange Ethereum to Bitcoin, I think it was the fee was really small. It was just a minor on the mining fee, and it was really small. But yeah, at Metamorph, we believe that while cryptocurrency is undoubtedly one of the most useful and promising technologies that has emerged in recent years, it is still in its infancy and requires attention and care. With no centralized entity to safeguard your assets, it is vital that your private keys and seed words are kept securely and that you have backup measurements in place. So again, stepping away from the traditional way of doing things, i.e. banking, where if I lost my password, all I got to do is just make a phone call or hit the forgot my password button. All right, you have to keep all your seed phrases, your private keys, separate and safe. Keep them safe and away from prying eyes. Okay, so you are your own bank. You have access to your private keys. They're your private keys for a reason. All right, so it's pretty cool. Again, it's really clean, simple to use. User interface is simple. Hold on, let me see if I can go back here. Alright, it went too fast. But yeah, this, like I said, if you're able to use your smartphone, you're definitely able to use this. Alright, but let me know what you guys think. Leave your comments in the description below, or in the comment section below. And I will leave a link for this in the description as well. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. It's been your boy, Sergeant Crypto. Metamorph, I think it drops today on the 15th of October. That's why they're updating everything right now. Alright, it's been your boy, and I'm out. Peace.